Okay, I had this piece of craft card here. It's not super thick. It measures 3 3/4 inches wide by 8 7/8 inches long. This came from Michael's. It comes in a pack. Okay. First thing we're going to do is simply fold it in half. Okay. And then on each end, we're going to score at 1.5 inches. All right, and those are going to become our little pockets. All right, the next thing that I want to do, and here's a piece of scrap paper. I'm going to use this side. We don't have to carry it down all the way. So I'm just going to mark where I want to fold that, and then I want to mark the width. All right, so let's get that cut. And then we'll cut off this excess in the back because we don't need that. All right. I'm going to ink it. And before I glue anything down, make sure our pockets cover everything up. Yep. I want to find my center. Just about right there. And then I'm going to take my hole punch and just put like a little half moon. Don't carry it all the way down. Just a little half moon. Like that. Okay. And our paper clip is going to peek out of the top there. Perfect. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put my paper clip on. It really doesn't matter whether you put the short side or the long side on the front. I'm just have it put the long side there on the front. I'm going to slide this over there and make sure everything fits. And then we're going to put glue all over. And then all over our flap. The same thing on the other side. I fold these pockets up and give them a good burnish. All right, and just like we did on the prototype, I'm going to cover this up with book page. We want to make sure that our text is going the right way. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this part down. I'm just going to use glue stick for this. All right. Now what I'm going to do is find the center again. Make a little mark. And I'm just going to put a little thumb notch there, and I'm going to do both of them at the same time. All right. Okay, well, let's give those a good inking. Now we can go ahead and glue our pockets down. Oops, I didn't bring that down far enough. That's okay. Let me show you what we're going to do with that. Let's take a piece of tape that I made. And we're just going to cover that up right there. There we go. Re-glue this. And so there's the base of our pocket. And this is the part that slides over your page. All right, let's go ahead and decorate this. So I'll pull out a couple of things in advance just to save time. Just little pieces of ephemera in my stash. I think all of this is pretty much Tim Holtz. Some of it might be Tracy Fox. Actually, I think this is a sticker. Yep. So put that down. This I'm going to use as a little pocket like I did on the other one, so I'm only going to glue on 3 sides. And while that's drying, let's turn over this side. And on this one, I think I'm going to put a little bit of bling. Let's turn this back over. And for this one, I got a couple of those little tags. Okay. And I have this I made a long time ago. It is just 3 little tags put together with a brad. And you can put them down in the pocket and they'll just hang over like that. I think that's so cute. All right, so there's that part. Right here, I just got a couple more pieces of ephemera. And we'll stick down in that pocket. All right, and now we need to put a topper on here. So I have a piece of tulle just like I used on this one. I'm going to put that in half. Pull that through. Let's just trim this off a little bit. And then I have a little charm that I'm going to add in there as well. So I'm just going to hook this through. So there's our little charm. This is a great way to use up scraps, and I'm always trying to do that. And all these little pieces of ephemera that just are laying around, this is a great way to use them up. So easy to do. I hope you enjoyed that. So today's verse comes from James chapter 1, verses 17, which says, "Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above, and cometh down from the Father of lights, with whom is no variableness, neither shadow of turning." This reminds us that all the good things in our lives, blessings, abilities, opportunities, relationship, even peace and wisdom, ultimately come from God. It encourages gratitude and humility because we recognize the source of those blessings. This title, Father of Lights, for God points to him as creator of the sun, moon, and stars, the ultimate source of all light, truth, and goodness. Spiritually, it reflects his purity, guidance, and life-giving presence. Unlike shifting circumstances or human inconsistency, God does not change. His love, character, promises, and faithfulness remain constant. That stability gives us confidence and comfort, especially when life feels uncertain. The takeaway is this: God is the unchanging source of every good thing. When we remember that, gratitude grows, worry lessens, and trust deepens. Before I wrap up, I just want to say thank you so much for watching the tutorial today. I truly appreciate you spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed it and found a little inspiration along the way. If you enjoyed today's video and this time in the Word together, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment, sharing the video with a friend, and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss future projects and devotionals. Thank you again from my heart for being here. Your time means so much to me. Take care, and I'll see you the next time. Have a blessed day. Bye.